Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. Due to many requests from viewers like you for a vegetarian dish, I've decided to show you how I make vegetarian mandu. It's using very simple vegetables that's easy to get in your neighborhood and it's easy to make, so I hope you'll enjoy it. This tofu has been, squeezed tight and drained the water. And I want to show you how I actually prepare the mushrooms. I use shiitake mushrooms here, and you have to cut into little pieces. So I always find that it's easier if you cut it into little slices like this, and then cut into little pieces. For the shiitake mushrooms, because they don't season as well by itself, I've added some soy sauce, sugar, and sesame oil beforehand. So you can see that it's been, it's a little bit darker than the fresh ones because it's been pre-seasoned. For the carrots, I usually chop the carrots. You can actually slice the carrots thinly and then again chop like this. But today I actually use this shredder and it still comes out good. So I think it's easier to use the shredder. So here, zucchinis, you can cut the zucchinis by hand. But again, today I use the shredder. It's easier and it saves time. But when using the shredder, always remember to shred in the sort of the short side, rather than, because you don't want it to come out in long pieces. Right? So in mixing the vegetables and the tofu together, it's about equal portions. So I'm using about 1 cup of tofu, same amount of mushrooms, carrots, and zucchini. Already you see how beautiful the colors look. It looks very festive, doesn't it? And I'm going to season with a little bit of salt and pepper. And a little bit of sesame oil and soy sauce. You can get the exact measurements in the recipe file below. It's important to mix well so they don't fall apart. And tofu really is a really good vegetable because it helps the vegetables to all the vegetables to hold together. See how beautiful it is? It's ready to put into a skin. So we're going to stuff the vegetable mandu. And usually, because I like to steam my vegetable mandu, I make it into a square form. And it may be a little bit complicated, but let me show you how we do it. Okay. So you take a skin. Let me see. Take one. And put maybe 1 spoonful of the stuffing. And again, put the water all around the skin. And this is where it gets tricky. You have to pinch just the middle, just a little bit. Don't pinch too long, too wide. Just, it has to be less than an inch, a centimeter. And you tuck it into 4 corners like this. And then the other side, tuck into 4 corners. And because it's a vegetable mandu that I'm going to be steaming, it's okay if you have some opening, because it's kind of nice to have the steam get out of the mandu as we steam. So you get little 4 cornered pockets like this. So do you want to try it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So make it look like you're making an envelope, actually, like a square envelope.
Yeah.
And just the middle, just a little bit.
Yeah.
And then tuck
Tuck.
from the bottom, and you do the top. And again. So when you have different shapes of mandu in the refrigerator, you know without writing on the top what kind of mandu you have. I usually make these kind of shape for vegetables, the elongated one for the meat, and the round ones for the seafood. So it's easy to know. And also, this is really perfect for steaming. Great, you did a wonderful job. That looks like really perfect. You're now a mandu expert.
Try one more.
Okay. Well, for the first try, not bad, right? It's. I think you need to put more stuffing in. You have too little stuffing because you have too much skin outside. But just in case this is a little bit too complicated, let me show you how we make. We can make a simpler one. This same process, the round. And this is, you can make just half moon, which, you can do, right? But just to make sure that it's something special than just, simple half moon. And these half moon shapes are really great for pan frying because it's easy to fry on both sides. Again, you know how to do this. You can do the making into a dumpling that can be used in a bowl, in a soup. Yeah, I think you guys are doing well. I don't know who made this, but you see the stuffing is coming out.
Oh.
And when when your mandu is broken like this, we always say your fortune is escaping you. 복이 따라 나간다 그러잖아.
Oh, wow.
So you want to make sure that you keep all your fortune in the pocket. Okay. For the vegetable mandu, I usually like to have them steamed. That way you keep it healthy. So I've been boiling water in my steamer. And again, put the mandu in when the steam is coming up and it's been boiled. So I put the mandu in. My steamer is kind of small because there are only 2 of us usually eating. So and I'm going to cover and let it steam for about 5 minutes. So let's see if the vegetable mandu is ready. Ooh. It's really, the color has come out really beautifully. Do you see the carrot and the green zucchini and the brown mushroom? It's really pretty. It's kind of... Okay, let's try it. So here we have the vegetable mandu that's been steamed. It's really healthy, right?
Okay.
So let me give you one. Dip it in the soy vinegar sauce.
Okay.
And It has the healthy taste.
Yeah, health taste, and I really recommend this mandu for the person who is on a diet. I think it's a very, very good item.
But I don't lose weight. I don't know why. I've been on a diet for ages, but with all this cooking and
And
eating.
also tastes very good. It's vegetable, but tastes good,
Yeah.
right? I like it.
Good.